Do you want to speak English clearly? Do you want to speak with confidence? Do you feel nervous when you try to speak? Does your mind go blank? Do the words feel stuck? You are not alone. Many people feel the same. It's okay. But there is one simple way to get better. One powerful way to change your speaking. Just listen. Every day. It is easy. It is powerful. And it works. Listening is the secret to speaking well. In this video, you will learn why listening is so important and how it can help you speak better English faster than you think. This is not just a lesson. This is your turning point. Stay with me. This moment can change how you learn English forever. Part 1. Why listening is important. Let's begin with a simple question. Why is listening so important? Think about how babies learn. They do not speak first. They listen first. They hear their parents. They hear words every day. They hear sounds and voices. Slowly, they begin to understand. Then one day, they speak. This is the natural way. This is the real way. You can do the same. When you listen, your brain learns the sounds. It learns the rhythm. It learns how words connect together. You learn how English really sounds. Not just from a book. Not just grammar rules. But from real people. From real conversations. From real life. This is spoken English. This is the English you need. Part 2. How listening helps speaking. Now, let's talk about how listening helps your speaking. When you listen, you hear correct grammar. You hear new words. You learn how to say full sentences. You hear the music of English. You hear the emotion, the rise and fall, the feeling behind the words. You begin to understand what sounds natural. You begin to copy, not only with your mouth, but first with your ears. Your brain gets used to English. Your mouth begins to follow. Speaking becomes easier. Speaking becomes faster. And speaking becomes more natural. It is just like music. When you hear a song again and again, you start to sing it, even without trying. This is how listening works. It helps English enter your brain, so it can come out through your voice. Part 3. Real stories. Let me tell you a short story. There was a girl named Amina. She was 16 years old. She loved English, but she was afraid to speak. Every time she tried, she stopped. She felt nervous. She made mistakes. She thought, maybe I am not good enough. But one day, she changed her method. She decided to stop worrying and to just listen. Every day, for 30 minutes, she listened to English podcasts. She listened to English stories. She listened while walking. She listened while cooking. She listened and listened. And after 3 months, she spoke with confidence. She did not memorize long lists. She did not read big grammar books. She just listened. A lot. And she improved. You can do the same. Yes, you can. Part 4. Simple ways to listen to English. You do not need special tools. You do not need to spend money. You just need to listen every day. Here are 5 easy ways to do that. Number 1. YouTube videos. Watch simple English videos. Like this one. Listen and repeat. Use subtitles if you need them. Number 2. English podcasts. Find podcasts for beginners. Listen while you walk, or clean, or relax. Number 3. English songs. Start with slow songs. Read the lyrics. Then sing along. Have fun with it. Number 4. Movies and TV shows. Use English subtitles. Watch short scenes. Then repeat them. Number 5. Talk to yourself. Yes. Really. Listen to a short audio clip. Then say the same thing out loud. Copy the sound. Copy the tone. Your ears and your mouth will learn to work together. Part 5. Don't be afraid. Some people say, I don't understand everything. That's okay. You don't need to understand 100%. Even 50% is good. You are still learning. Just keep listening. Every day. And never say, my English is bad. Say this instead. I am learning. I am growing. Every time you listen, your brain grows stronger. Your English becomes better. Even if you don't see it now, it is working. Like a plant growing underground. You cannot see the roots, but they are growing. Believe in the process. Keep going. Conclusion. I must say, thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Listen to this video again tomorrow. Practice with your voice. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe for more easy English videos. And remember, listen every day. Speak with courage. You can do it. We believe in you. Leave a comment below. Say this. I will listen every day. Let's support each other. Let's grow together. Click like. Click subscribe. If you are ready to grow. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And happy learning.